In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view videos in Time Doctor 2. Whether you're a manager trying to keep track of your team's productivity or just looking to review your personal screen activity, this guide will walk you through each step of accessing and reviewing screencasts within Time Doctor 2. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and simply type Time Doctor into the search bar. Once the search results pop up, look for the first link, or specifically for one that includes the URL timedoctor.com to ensure you're heading to the right place. After clicking this, you'll be directed to the main site, where you can log in using your credentials. If you haven't set up your login details yet, make sure to do so before continuing. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. From there, you need to navigate to the Screencasts page. This is accessible either directly from the dashboard or through the navigation bar at the top. The Screencasts section is your go-to place for viewing all recorded screen activities. Next, you'll be prompted to select the user or users whose activity you wish to review. Time Doctor 2 offers great flexibility here, allowing you to filter by individual users or even groups. So whether you're overseeing an entire team or just focusing on one person, you can easily sort through the necessary activity. Following that, choose a date interval. This is where you'll define the time range for the recorded activities you want to examine. It can be as specific or broad as you need, depending on what you're looking for. Once your parameters are set, you'll see the page populate with thumbnails of captured screens. A nice feature here is that if you find the thumbnails too small, you can adjust their size to better preview the content. To dive deeper into any specific section, just click on a thumbnail. This will enlarge the image, revealing either a full-size screenshot or a video recording of that particular time segment. It's a straightforward way to sift through and select the material you want to focus on. While viewing these screencasts, you'll also have access to corresponding keyboard and mouse activity levels. These are displayed below each screencast and show the average keystrokes and mouse clicks per minute. This data provides additional context, giving you a fuller picture of the activity during those recorded segments. And there you have it, a step-by-step process for viewing videos in Time Doctor 2. By following these instructions, you can efficiently monitor and assess the productivity captured within this tool. I hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or check out our other resources for more information.